double wife, and do you solemnly promise before God that you will love, honor, and keep her in sickness or in health, and to be true and faithful husband as long as you love me?
Yes, I do.
Of course, Catherine, please also answer I do. Catherine Calaquian, do you take this man, Jason Velez, to be your lawful husband, and do you solemnly promise before God that you will love, honor, and keep him in sickness or in health, and to be true and faithful wife as long as you love me? So, pwede po ba kayong magharap, Jason? Magharap po kayong dalawa para makuhaan po kayo. Si Jason, ikaw ay manunumpa kay Catherine. So, do you promise that you love Catherine as long as you live?
Yes.
Okay. Jason, pakitaas lang po yung kanang kamay. At kanang kamay po, pakitaas. Please repeat after me. I, your name,
Jason Velez.
I accept you,
I accept you.
pangalan ng babae,
Catherine Calaquian.
before the solemnizing,
Before the solemnity
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
and I promise to you,
I promise to you,
in front of God,
in front of God,
and to all witnesses,
and to all witnesses,
that I will become
I will
a
become
lovable husband,
a lovable husband,
in abundance,
in abundance,
in need, in strength,
strength,
in sorrow,
sorrow,
sickness,
sickness,
and in health,
and health.
till death do us part.
Till death do us part.
Okay, thank you, Jason. So, Catherine, ikaw din ay manunumpa kay Jason. No? Do you promise that you love Jason as long as you live? Can you please repeat after me? I, your name,
Catherine Calaquian.
I accept you,
I accept you,
pangalan ng lalaki,
Jason Velez,
before the solemnizing,
before the
to
solemnity
be my husband,
to be my husband,
and I promise to you,
and I promise to
in front of God,
in front of God,
and to all witnesses,
and to all witnesses,
that I will become
that I will become
a lovable wife,
a lovable wife,
in abundance,
in abundance,
in need, in strength, in sorrow,
in sorrow,
in sickness,
in sickness,
and in health,
and in health,
till death do us part.
till death do us part.
Okay, thank you, Catherine. So that's why marriage is a lifetime commitment. So yun po yung sinumpahan niyo, no? So as I said, marriage also is a lifetime love. So that's why we have the symbol of the ring. So po, ikaw muna, Jason, ang teaching na bibigay mo para kay Catherine. Harapin mo po si Catherine. So, how do you call your partner, Jason? Anong tawag mo po sa kanya?
Name.
Sabihin mo, bibigay mo, ano? Pakiray mo lang po sa kaliwang kamay, hawakan mo ito sa kamay. Name, sabihin mo.
Name.
Wear this ring
Wear this ring
for the rest of your life.
for the rest of your
This is
life.
the symbol
This is the
of
symbol
my love
my love
and loyalty to you.
and loyalty to you.
From now
From now
and forever.
and forever.
So, Jason, so is there anything to say to your wife?
I love you.
Of course, you don't have to. Okay, Catherine, okay. And of course, this was a left hand. Left hand. Okay, Catherine, how do you call your partner also?
Okay.
So wear this ring
Wear this ring
for the rest of your life.
for the rest of
This
your
is
life.
the symbol
This is the symbol
of my love
of my love
and loyalty to you.
and loyalty
From now
from now
and forever.
and forever.
Pakisuot po, Catherine. Okay, so, siyempre, of course, siyempre, ano po ang gusto mong sabihin kay Jason?
I love you forever.
Okay, so, dito po si Mr. Glenn,
Yes po.
Mr. Glenn, and Mrs. Eleanor.
Ayoko na.
Opo, dito po kayo ma'am sa tabi po nila, sa bandang likod po nila. Okay, so kayo po ang witness sa kanilang wedding vows. And of course, pipirma po kayo sa kanilang certificate of marriage. And please advise the couple kapag may mga problema, saan po yun? Okay, so, pakitaas po yung kanyang kamay. And please repeat after me. I, your name,
Len Manzano.
stand now before God as a principal witness,
As a principal witness,
Jason and Catherine,
Jason and
and I
Catherine,
faithfully promise
Jason
that
and
I will support
that I will support
with prayers
prayer
and guidance.
and guidance.
Thank you very much po for all the witnesses. So, maupo na po tayo. So, now, Jason and Catherine, pipirmahan na po ninyo ang inyong certificate.
Thank you.
This is 4 copies, you know. 1 copy going to NXO and 1 copy for the local civil registry office. And 1 copy po para sa inyo and 1 copy for the solemnity. So, ikaw muna po, Jason. Okay, sir. Meron po. Ito po ang request form for the celebration. Affiliated also. Please print your name. Thank you, sir. Si Catherine, yung signature sa pagkadala. Thank you. Okay, si Mr. Glenn. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Batiin niyo naman po sila. Congratulations po. Guys, this is Eleanor. Hindi pa po ako. Ay, pa isa.
Darating tayo.
Sorry. Anyway.
Ayun po yung Jason.
Ito, sir.
Of course, siyempre, Jason, before I declare as husband and wife, so my advice also that this relationship is a long life way. Sana magtagal po kayo. And of course, mangyari lang yun if your trust for each other is always there. No? Tiwala. So, huwag mo wala. And of course, communication is also very important. Hindi may iwasan may mga encountered problems ay sa life. But always talk to each other.
Parang jump sa
Pag-usapan. And of course, God bless you yung dalawa. In that way. So, dito, marapit mo si Catherine. Waka ko si dalawang kamay mo ni Catherine. Yan. Okay. Jason Velez and Catherine Calapian. Inasmuch as this man and this woman have in the presence of God, and these witnesses consented together to be joined in the local baptism ceremony, and therefore Jason and Catherine have given their pledge and vow to each other. And now, may the God of peace prosper and bless you in this new relationship. Republic of the Philippines, from the office of the Civil Registrar General, by the authority vested upon me as a solemnizing officer, I pronounce you husband and wife. Palakpakan po natin. Ngayon dito, nakalikan mo na, hinihintay nito.
Oo.
Hindi ka na po.
Pag-picture natin kayo.
Ay na, kiss mo rin. Okay, congratulations, Jason. Salamat po. Dito po kayo.